Question 13 pula. Question 13, we have coil P and Q. Two coaxial coils of the same cross-sectional area, but coil P has twice the number of turns per unit length compared to coil Q. Okay, so calculate the mutual inductance. Kejap ah. I am. Okay, kejap. So area is the same. Area of these two are the same. So we could just label that as A lah. Okay, if needed lah. And then what else do we know? We have the number of turns for coil P is twice the number of turns per unit length. But coil P has twice the number of turns per unit length compared to coil Q. Okay, my god, this is quite confusing. Twice the number of turns per length for coil Q kan? Twice. Kejap. Wait. Coil P has twice the number of turns per unit length. Okay, betul lah. When the current in coil P increases from 0 to 2 ampere in 5 seconds. So sekarang ni initial, yang ini final, yang ini time. The EMF induced in coil Q is 0.6 volts. So this is EMF Q. Alright, so what is the mutual inductance? Okay, so since we have been given the EMF of coil Q, we can actually use this equation here lah. M. This is dI over dt, but this is for coil P lah. Okay, so we are looking for M. So this is gonna be M negative EQ over DI over DT lah. Kan? Okay. So, sekarang ni, what is the value of EQ? We have negative 6. Oh my god, this is confusing. Okay, 0.6 lepas tu, what is the V0 to 2 ampere? So 2 minus 0 divided by the time, which is 0.5. So the mutual inductance here you will get equal to 0.150 Henry lah. Okay, so sekarang ni that is the mutual inductance lah. Okay. Okay, so basically the negative tu ada maksud untuk the induced EMF lah, tapi untuk mutual inductance we can actually ignore the negative sebab mutual inductance shouldn't have any negative value lah. Okay, the negative in this formula is actually just telling us the direction of the induced EMF. Okay, alright, so that is that. Now let's do for question B, which is the EMF. Okay, coil Q is then used as the primary coil. What would the induced EMF in coil P when the current of 5 ampere drops to 0? Okay, so initial is 5 ampere, final is 0 in 0.2 seconds kan? So sekarang ni mutual inductance dia should be the same, which is 1.5 Henry lah. Tapi sekarang kita perlu cari EMF of coil P. So negative M dI over dt untuk coil Q. Okay, so sekarang ni kita sudah dapat 0.15 di sini. So 0 tolak 5 divide by 0.2. Okay, so kita akan dapat. Okay, so when we are calculating induced EMF, negatif ni kamu tidak boleh ignore lah, kamu mesti letak juga sebab dia bagi tahu kita direction of induced EMF. So this will be 3.75 volt. Okay, so this is basically the solution for question number 13, and that is everything for tutorial chapter 5.